We have got the ultimate Corvette. This has everything you want, folks. 4,000 mile, true one owner car, never been painted on, a clean Carfax, and it is loaded to the gills. As a matter of fact, he ordered $26,355 in options. This is a 2015 Z06 Z07 3LZ. It's got all the letters of the alphabet. He ordered everything just to order it. There's all sorts of little dealer add-ons. He paid $500 for an outdoor cover, even though he never intended on storing it outdoors. It's a stick shift, 7-speed manual, supercharged 6.2-liter motor. Go to volocars.com. We have the best inventory we've ever had, and that's where you find a price tag on every car along with a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, buckle up. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, so the car is just outstanding. It's just killer. The colors, crystal red metallic, I believe it's called, with the saddle leather interior, the special Z06 wheels, all the spoilers and ground effects, the cool headlights. I mean, this thing is just an awesome looking car. There's a lot of people that prefer these over the new body style. I just think this is a better looking car. I guess that's debatable. Normally I talk about the body, and I mean the body is pristine. I don't know of a mark anywhere on it. All the paint is outstanding. Now this has the carbon flash spoilers in that, and then this is a dealer installed center section. It looks like it's adjustable to go up and down. You got the exhaust tips coming out the back. It's got all the different modes. It sounds amazing. Everything about it, every piece of trim, all the lights are just really cool. The lights built right into the body here. Pilot Sport Michelin tires, and they are, oh, I don't see the size. They're probably like 18-inch or something like that. But they are the Z06 black wheels. Now, part of the Z07 package are the ceramic brakes, big, giant drilled rotors, red 6-piston calipers front and back. So those are some ginormous brakes. Even the front air diffuser. Well, here's a little scuff on the very bottom. Must have just touched a curb or a driveway. This thing's just a few inches off the ground. The grill, the plastic, all the lenses, everything's fantastic. Now I'm going to look real close. I don't see a rock chip, a scratch. I don't see a touch-up. Doesn't mean I'm missing one, but I swear I'm looking real hard and I don't find a mark anywhere. Glass is crystal clear. It has the optional two tops. This is a see-through glass top, and it also has the painted top. So why don't we open it up? I got a lot more to show you, and I'll read some of the options right off the window sticker. Okay, before we open it, there's an extra like cargo cover. You see the Corvette emblem on there. I wanted to show you what that looked like through the glass. So that's just one of them little extras that he bought. This is probably a part of it. This is a little extra here. So here's the painted roof. We lift it up. You got an indoor cover, outdoor cover. You have the battery tender. I'm not sure. There's a couple more mats that are still rolled up. Didn't even look those up, see exactly what they are. But all the little goodies, the books, the manuals. Here's the original floor mats. He has WeatherTech mats inside there. Original license plate screws. The rubber cargo mat is underneath all of this. So those are all the extras that go with the car. I think he enjoyed just buying everything for it. Color's beautiful. It's got the right options. I mean, this is the one to have. You're not sacrificing anything here. So it's pristine. The door jambs are pristine. The interior is amazing. The saddle with the black saddle stitching. Now, I'm not a real tech wizard, but the dash lights up, and there's all sorts of cool features in here, including the track mode. Has a recorder, So I'm going to read the options here real quick. The 3LZ equipment group, that's a memory package, seat adjusters, power bolsters, power lumbar, the Napa leather bucket seats, the luggage shade, parcel net, power heated mirrors, auto dimming, inside rear view mirrors, auto dimming, XM stereo, microfiber trim package, leather wrapped instrument panel, heated and ventilated seats, home remote, premium audio with surround, the performance data and video recorder, anti-theft. Then it has the Z07 Ultimate Performance Package. That first package was $8,600. This one's $7,900. The Brembo ceramic brakes, the PS Cup tires, Z07 suspension, carbon fiber package. That's $3,000. The competition sports seats. That's a real desirable option. The dual roof package. Crystal red metallic was $1,000 extra. The Z06 aluminum black wheels were extra. Outdoor cover, indoor cover, cross flag logo, $410. Cargo shade, $170. Battery protection, rear fascia protection. So this comes with all the goodies. Sorry about the dinger, but look at this. You open the screen, he has a built-in radar detector, very nicely installed. And there's all different modes and lots of things that if you're a Corvette guy and you own it, you're going to read the manual and figure it all out. But it's a Z06 with 650 horsepower, 650 pounds of torque. And this right here, you know they don't even make manual shift cars. This is a 7-speed shifter. Different modes. The leather is glove soft, sport seats. Everything looks like brand new in here. This is just a really cool car. And that 7-speed shifter, it has a first to fourth gear skipped shift. Yeah, heads-up display, of course. Valet system. It's just over 4,000. It's like 4,020 miles, true one-owner car. Supercharged LT4 engine. Everything is stock. It's not been customized for race or anything like that. And it's immaculate. It's obvious this car was driven on nice afternoons, and that was really about it. It was not somebody's everyday car. Even has the Z06 embossed under the hood mat right there. So now Caleb gets the fun job of taking you for a ride. He'll probably explain a little more of the electronics to you.
Now this is a pretty hard to find car, 7-speed manual, 4,000 original miles, well just over. This also has, almost all the options checked from the factory. The owner opted for competition sport seats in it, which are a hard find just because the normal seats that come in these are similar, but these are the upgraded, desirable ones that you don't find regularly. It has the 3LZ interior, so fully premium stitched leather, heated and cooled seats, navigation, performance data, and video recorder on it. You name it, this car's got it. We got the heated seats on right now. But again, 4,000 original miles on this beauty. Everything works. Now I'm not gonna lay on the gas pedal because it's cold and summer tires don't mix well with that, but we'll get her up to speed and kind of show you what she's got. See, they want to break loose, but 0 to 60, no problem. This thing's got traction control on it, performance handling. You can change through the gears on. Right now I have it in sport mode, so you can hear the exhaust. It has the valves open on it, but we can throw it in touring. It's going to quiet it down, and it gives it a softer feel over the bumps. It's going to make the suspension more damping. So it's a nice ride. If you're looking for a loaded one, this is definitely it, guys. It checks all the boxes. The Z07 suspension package on it and the ceramic carbon brakes. This thing stops on a dime. It's got the premium Bose stereo. So, fully loaded in my opinion. But yeah, there you have it, this gorgeous Z06.
Well, I hope you guys had fun on the test drive. This is an amazing piece of machinery. The looks, the performance, and the comfort. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. Put this up any Lamborghini or cars costing 5 times what this car costs. It's got it all, nothing to apologize for. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer whatever questions you have left. We can get this delivered. We can help you get it financed. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.